Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Silent channel. Welcome back to the Cat Goes Fishing series. Last episode, we ended up catching a insanely difficult fish. The fish that spent us the first couple episodes trying to figure out how to catch, and that was the where are you at? Yeah, the burp beater. Apparently, you want to catch a Tim, and then the Tim can be used to catch because normally it goes for the light bulb, but since the Tim also brings off light, you can use that as well. So quickly, let's finish up this class. So I wanted to go back and sell the fish, but I wanted to do it on camera. So I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna quickly go over, and then once when we get to the end, I'm going to drop it down, and I'm going to try and catch my last Tim because that's really what I need right now. Because if I can get the last Tim, then I can go back and I can unlock probably the next set of quests, which will probably unlock us the new area. Oh my gosh, why is it lagging so bad? Okay, there, it's getting added. Oh, that's the golden fish. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. Come on. There they are. There it is. Okay. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, let's go. Okay. Well, let's definitely head back now. Now the fact that we've caught all of the fish we need, let's definitely head back, get our new quest, sell, and let's see what we unlock. Because from what I understand is we found the face fish. I don't know how to catch it. Um, and it apparently gives us upgrades, but I'm not sure how we're gonna get to those upgrades. So it's something definitely I gotta be really thinking about. And I really don't want to Google if I don't have to. So that's the big thing right now when it comes to things like this. The hope is that we don't have to use Google and that we can actually just solve these problems ourselves. Worst comes to worst, we can check the internet just to see if other people have caught specific fish or not. But let's sell $1.3 million new fish. The roadie in the lobby. Interesting. I wonder. Yeah, producing a study it and could lead to a new technology innovation. The roadie in the lobby. Interesting. They're two small fish, and it doesn't really give me too much information. Interesting. Hmm. I'm curious though. Okay. Got the cuttlefish I need. Oh, let's go do some hunting. We don't really need the. Let's go down deep, but I think it's we gotta go far out in reality of this all because last time I saw a newer fish, but we couldn't even try to catch it because it was out of distance. But it did swim into our range at least. Hmm. Still so curious. Hmm. Oh, let's see. Okay, let's see. Uh, okay, yeah, the Volbeat fish. Oh, what is that? What is that? What are you? What was that? So, what is that? Was that the phase? Is that what they mean when they say there's two ends of it? Interesting. Huh. What's that? They just went together. Am I supposed to just be in one of them and hope that once... Oh my gosh. Is that how you catch it? That's so unique. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh! Oh! New boat. New boat. New boat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got a new boat. Okay, where do I have to go back? Oh, that's so cool though. That's such a unique fishing method. That's interesting. All right, well, apparently we have a new boat, which means we could probably get to a new area, which probably holds all the new fish. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's crazy. That was a first try. Oh my gosh. Oh my, that's so cool though. That's so cool though. Let's definitely head back though. Sell 50K. New quest, which is the Duncan. Interesting. But apparently the tech boat 5 million. Oh my gosh. Is the Duncan a small fish? No, it's not, actually. Is it a medium fish? Smarty, Germa. No, it's not a medium. Codocanth. No, it's gotta be a small fish then. Interesting. What? Oh wait, it has a sonar. Does that mean it can like always see? I almost want to go down just to see like what's down there. Because normally like it cuts off at a certain point, you can't just see anymore. But now with the sonar, we might be able to just see always. All right, well, explosion, light bulb, and yeah, big hook. Let's go. Let's definitely see some really cool fish to see if we can find any in here. Because normally it cuts off, right? You can't see where the map is, and it's probably. But now that we can actually apparently the sonar now, there's no need to like. Yeah, normally it my signal like just disappears when I'm here. Okay. I wonder. Oh, that's cool though. That's so cool that it does this now. You can literally just see it. I wonder. Hmm. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I can't just go through the whole thing being under. Okay. Yep. Definitely. Definitely cool though. That's sick. The fact that it literally just does that and you can just see everything. That's so cool. That's such a good update. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I wonder now though. Does it like catch signal off here as well? No, you can see it perfectly. Interesting. Wonder. Hmm. Is it like a place that it just loses signal, or does it just like always have signal? There's the pad. Interesting. There's some fish down there. Oh, what the fudge is that? What is that? Okay. There's the bulb. Those are the Tim fishes. Okay, okay. What is... Okay, okay. Interesting. Okay, because normally... Where is it? Well, let's go with the maximum now that we can actually see everything. Oh, interesting. But it looks like a lot of these fish are gonna have to be like fish that we have to get like, hmm. I wonder what those big fishes are actually. Hmm. Okay, now that there's a new one. Interesting. Okay. Oh, what the fudge are you? What is that? What are you? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm going to explode. Hmm. Okay, what is that? What are you? Oh, of course. They're gonna eat the light. What are you? What are you? What is this? 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 Come on, come on. Oh, why is that so deep? Oh, oh my, what is that? It's like, I think it's a large fish, right? The two head. Interesting. Two head, yes. This mentally challenged fish appears to be uninterested in food, but its mouth is wide open. I mean, free for me, I guess. Light bulb, explosive. Yes. Oh my god, some of these fishes are so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it looks like the map, the screen gets really big. Interestingly. Ooh, what is this? What is this? What is this? What's that? Oh, what are you? What are you? What are you? Oh, it shoots it? What? Uh, what was that? The Fletchler. Okay. What was that medium fish? Uh, the roaches. What? Oh my, some of these fish are cool. Big hook. Let's go. Let's go down. Mm-hmm. All right, all right, all right. Oh my gosh. I wonder. Oh, what is this? What are all of these? What is that? Oh, wait. It broke free? That's interesting. That's interesting how that might work actually. Oh my gosh, that's so cool though. All right. With that being said, I think I'm gonna end the episode off here, guys. That's fudging cool though. The unique fish we got, the new boat, that's awesome. I can't honestly wait till next when we catch all these really cool and rare new fish. 'Cause these look sick. They're really, really cool, and I can't wait to catch them. But if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, um, please like the video if you guys, well, whatever. Sorry. Like the video, subscribe, comment. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.